Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Finally, Kaizer Chiefs have completed the signing of highly rated winger Langelihle Phili from Stellenbosch FC in a deal that took weeks if not months to complete. Kaizer Chiefs parted ways with Ashley Dupree and also Given Msimango and also a cash payment in order for them to secure the signature of the young highly rated winger Langelihle Phili. Phili, who was spotted yesterday, the 2nd of August, at the airport going to Kaizer Chiefs, completed his medicals today and signed a contract with Kaizer Chiefs. And now he is officially a Kaizer Chiefs player. Following tough negotiations to a point where we thought that this deal will not happen because Stellenbosch wanted Kaizer Chiefs to pay 16 million rands for the winger. However, Kaizer Chiefs, it seems like they were not willing to part ways with that kind of an amount. That is why they offered 2 players plus a cash payment. We don't know how much cash they paid. But what we know is that they managed to secure the winger as they bolstered their squad for the 2026-27 campaign ahead of domestic competitions and also the CAF Confederations Cup. Here is a statement that Kaizer Chiefs released as they announced the winger. It says, Kaizer Chiefs are delighted to announce the signing of exciting and highly sought after young winger Langelihle Phili from Stellenbosch FC. The 21-year-old sensation arrives at Amakhosi after a standout campaign last season in which he finished as Stellenbosch top goal scorer, netting 9 goals and bagging both the Player of the Season and the Players Player of the Season awards. His performances earned him widespread recognition and underlined his reputation as one of the most promising attacking talents in South African football. And the statement continues to say, "We warmly welcome Langelihle Phili to the Gold and Black family and look forward to a positive and successful career with Amakhosi." End of statement from Kaizer Chiefs as they announced the winger. Now, how excited are you for the signing of Langelihle Phili? How do you rate his signing out of 10? And there are reports that Given Msimango is set to fly to the Western Cape on Tuesday to complete his move from Kaizer Chiefs to Stellenbosch FC. Ashley Dupree's already completed his move to Stellenbosch FC. On weekend when Stellenbosch were playing AmaZulu, we even spotted him in Stellenbosch FC colours. Msimango joined Kaizer Chiefs in 2023 from TS Galaxy, where he was a captain, but he endured injury-disrupted 2025-26 campaign, limiting his opportunities. And now, despite having a 1-year remaining on his contract, Kaizer Chiefs have allowed the centre-back to move to Stellenbosch. And there are indications that Given Msimango has agreed a 3-year contract with Stellenbosch, where he will begin a new chapter under head coach Gavin Hunt. And Given Msimango wrote this message on Instagram. He says, "Thank you, Kaizer Chiefs, for giving me memories that will last a lifetime. It was an honor to wear this badge and be part of this great club. I live with gratitude in my heart and wish the club nothing but success." That's the message from Given Msimango. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this deal that included 3 players on a swap transfer and also a cash payment? Are you happy with the structure of this deal? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section.